In the chocolate factory with Willy Wonka.
Brown bear, what do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see?
I see a blue horse looking at me.
Blue horse, what do you see?
I see a green frog looking at me.
Green frog, what do you see?
I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple cat, what do you see?
I see a white dog looking at me.
White dog, what do you see?
I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black sheep, what do you see?
I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish, what do you see?
I see a Willy Wonka looking at me.
Wonka, what do you see?
I see Oompa Loompa looking at me.
Oompa Loompa, what do we see?
We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and Willy Wonka looking at us. That is what we see.